Hello from Miami Beach. I am going to watch a big jewelry exhibition. Here is where the exhibition is happening, Miami Beach Convention Center. And here is the view from outside. Let's go in. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we are in the exhibition and here is the logo of the exhibition. You can see behind me. So I'm going to wear my badge and let's go in and see what is happening inside. So this is my badge. You can see. Here you can find jewelry display companies if you want to order bags. Right now I am in a Turkish jewelry. The challenge is when I fall in love with some jewelry, I stock. And here in this Turkish jewelry brand, I can see so many crazy rings with different gems and stones. They are just beautiful for special occasions. So they are not minimal, but they are so beautiful. Look at this one. These are very cool.
I love them.
I love all of them. Oh my god.
Yep.
Okay, so I got a very beautiful gift from Ahmed. Hello, there we go. Yes. And just stay tuned because I got a very beautiful collection and I will reveal to you very soon. So I am done with the jewelry exhibition. To be honest, it was not easy to take pictures and videos because it was so many things that I had to focus on and do B2B business. But later I will show you some of the jewelry that I got for my jewelry land, and I'm so happy that I got to know so many other jewelry designers in the other side of the world. So make sure to follow my Instagram page because I want to show you a lot of new things. My trip to Miami is over, but tomorrow I'm heading to Cuba. So see you from Cuba. So much love is always here.